What's up, guys? So what's better than just hanging out at the campsite and relaxing with your RV and your beautiful wife, maybe even your pup? Not too much. Well, you know what? Doing that and some comfortable chairs. So today we have these RIO brand swinging hammock chairs from, guess where? COSTCO. Once again, like always, right? These things are pretty neat because, as you see, they're basically little hammocks that double as chairs. They have the cup holder built in. They're really sturdy and durable. As you see there, our little pup jumped on, my beautiful wife's on there with it, and they don't show a bit of struggle. Now, these things are rated to hold up to 300 pounds, so you can even fit a big guy like me on there, or maybe even two smaller people, really. They have a durable powder-coated steel frame. They're compact and portable. They have a foam pillow, and they're only 13 pounds. They fold up into a tiny little package just like this. Here I am putting them back together after the fun's over, unfortunately, but this gives us an idea of how easy they are to really pack up. Check this out. There's one down. Then this other one, same process. You take it off the frame, you fold the back part. Then the frame itself just has these two little pins. There's one there, there's the other there. You collapse it, just like that, fold them together like a taco, put it back in the sleeve, and bam, there's your two rocking chairs back in the package. Not too bad. Now, all in all, my thoughts on these guys, they're really neat. They are small when they're folded up. They're pretty light, especially considering how heavy they are. And they are actually really comfortable, especially with that built-in cup holder and that little pillow. It really goes a long ways. What's neat about them is you can kind of adjust them to have more of a recline or more of a upright position. That definitely makes them a little more suitable for different people's postures and whatnot. I would definitely recommend them, and I'm really glad I got them. They up my little camp setup quite a bit, and they don't really weigh much, which is always a concern when you're camping, especially in an RV with a low weight limit like we have. But that's pretty much it. I would recommend these guys. COSTCO has them. You can get them other places online. I will have links in the description for that. And that's going to do it for this one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for lots more videos just like this. I do a lot of DIY stuff, how-tos, reviews, lots of everything in between. Alright, so until next time, peace.